वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूं कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर और पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट टूल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं और यू आर एक्टिवली लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब चेंज, देन यू कैन रेफर दिस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, किस लोकेशन में अवेलेबल हैं, व्हाट इज एक्सपीरियंस दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर एंड अदर बेनिफिट्स दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू एंड अपने फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता है। So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science domain, Power BI developer, full stack developer role, then do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also, if you are watching this video first time, then share this video with your needy friends. Also, subscribe this channel, YouTube channel, subscribe my Instagram page and also my Facebook page. अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, what are the name of these companies and how you can apply for these job posts. Let's jump to the laptop screen.
तो फ्रेंड्स आ गए हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो कि आज जो जॉब्स हैं दीज आर रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर और पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट रोल। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय इंस्टा हैंडल विच इज़ जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आप पाते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस एंड न्यूज़ अबाउट डेटा साइंस डोमेन, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com फॉर ऑल द लेटेस्ट ब्लॉग्स अबाउट डेटा एनालिटिक्स जॉब्स एंड न्यूज़। सो डो नॉट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो बोथ द चैनल्स। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। So जो first job है, this is for the company name Accenture, which is a well-known consulting company. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI application developer. Experience 3 years. Location is in Pune. Salary 11 to 13 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's, graduation or equivalent. About the role: design, build and configure applications to meet business processes and application requirements. Requirement: understanding and strong analytical skills. End-to-end responsible for report development in Power BI. Perform development and support activities for data warehouse domain using reporting tools and technologies. Required skills: what they are looking for is provide support in SQL and ETL and development activities. Microsoft Power BI data visualization, SQL report development. Self-disciplined, strong problem-solving skills and troubleshooting skills. Should have good communication skills and a good team player skills as well. इस जॉब का लिंक आप पास मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। The second company in the list is MARLABS. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Location is not specified yet, but anywhere the office location in India, you will be located over there, or you'll get the relocation reimbursement for this. Experience 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Salary 7 to 9 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. Roles and responsibilities: assist in designing, implementing, and supporting the enterprise BI dashboards and report. Develop reports, dashboards, and KPI scorecards and aggregate data from various sources. Balance functionally, look, feel, and performance to ensure an excellent user experience, which is a strong focus of the role. Work with other team to gather and document reporting requirements and to use the underlying data sources. So these are some roles and responsibilities this company is looking for. The skills: you must have good experience and in-depth knowledge of Power BI DEX functions, experience as a Power BI developer or data scientist, knowledge and experience in development of reports, dashboards, background in data warehouse design and SQL database, good experience in ADF using linked services, datasets, pipelines, understanding of database management system, online analytical processing, OLAP and ETL. To apply for the job post, simply visit the description box where you can get the link for this company, MARLABS. The third company in the list is ROLAND. This company is hiring for the role of technology support specialist, data engineer, Power BI. Experience 3 to 4 years. Location is in Mumbai. Education MSc or bachelor's in quantitative field. Salary 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. About the role: creative interactive reports and dashboards using BI tools like Tableau, Power BI, QLiquid or custom built solutions. Writing and optimizing SQL queries to retrieve and manipulate data for reporting and analysis. Required skills are BI technologies, proficiency in one or more BI tools such as Power BI, Tableau, QLiquid, MicroStrategy. Database technologies: knowledge of querying data from database, including relational and document-based and key value stores. Data modeling: understanding data modeling concepts such as entity relationship diagrams, dimensional modeling, and star schemas. Other skills: strong knowledge of Excel and reporting. So these are some required skills you must have for this company, Roland Berger. This company is in Mumbai, and salary they are offering is 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. The fourth company in the list is 3SC Solutions. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer. Experience 4 years. Location Bangalore. Education bachelor's degree in computer science, information system, or a related field. Salary they have not disclosed, but they will provide you competitive salary. Roles and responsibilities: design, develop, and maintain Power BI dashboards and reports, collaborate with stakeholders to gather and analyze data requirements, create visually appealing and interactive dashboards and reports using Power BI best practices, conduct data analysis to identify trends, patterns, and insights to support business decision making, stay up to date with the latest Power BI features and functionalities, and recommend improvement to enhance data visualization. Some required skills: proficient in micro Power BI, including Power Query, Power Pivot, and DAX. A strong knowledge of data modeling, data warehouse, and ETL processes. Excellent analytical and problem solving skills. Knowledge of SQL and database management system is a plus. Microsoft Power BI certification is preferred. To apply for the job post, simply visit the description box where you can get the link for this company, 3SC Solutions. The fifth company in the list is YOGI Software. This company is hiring freshers for this role, or you have experience. You should have experience up to 2 years. Role: Power BI developer. Location: Gurgaon, Bangalore. Education: bachelor's degree in mathematics, stats, or Power BI certification. Salary: 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: recognize business requirements in the context of BI and create data models to transform raw data into relevant insights. Using Power BI, create dashboards and interactive visual reports. Define KPIs with a specific objective and track them regularly. Convert business needs into technical specification and establish a timetable for job completion. Create, test, and deploy Power BI scripts, as well as execute deep analysis. Create charts and data documentation with explanation of algorithms. Construct a data warehouse. Some required skills should be proficient in software development, be familiar with MS SQL Server, BI, stack tools and technologies, analytical thinking for converting data into relevant reports and graphics, capable of enabling role level data security, knowledge of Power BI application security, layered models. To apply for the job post, simply visit the description box where you can get the link for this company and you can land to the career page for this company called YOGI Software. So friends, these are 5 jobs for this week, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. In case any of your friend is looking for a job change in data analytics domain, Power BI developer or full stack developer role, then do share this video to your needy friends and this channel as well. Also, do share your feedback in the comment section. Again, thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.